Hey everyone, Jared here with TL Floor and Design, and today we're going to be going over best options for kitchen flooring. But before we dive into that, please make sure you like and subscribe to this video. We are going to have to replace our floors in our kitchen eventually. We do not want to make a mistake. If you're going to take one thing, it would be to subscribe to this video so that when you're ready to replace your kitchen floor, we have this material, we have this video ready for you. Everybody, we're going to start with laminate. Laminate is a great option, specifically in the Mohawk brand or any other brand that is going to carry the Uni-Click locking mechanism. This is going to trap water on the surface. So not only are we going to get one of the most durable materials you can get on the market, we're going to get something that is going to be a waterproof system. Water cannot penetrate through the seams, therefore it cannot get to your subfloor, and that should solve your water issues when it comes to a kitchen. Along with the cost of this, install and material cost is going to be much lower than other products. Option number 2 is going to be luxury vinyl. This has been very rising category in our flooring. You guys have probably seen waterproof flooring all over the place. This is a great option. It is very durable. It is a waterproof material. However, when water does get on the surface, it can penetrate the seams. So we're going to want to make sure that we put a moisture membrane below the flooring so we can trap any moisture from getting below, and we can stop any moisture from below getting up to your material. Moving on. Porcelain and ceramic tile. Now, to me, this is going to be the ultimate flooring. This is going to be the most durable. It's going to be the most scratch resistant. It's going to be the most waterproof material that we have. You can wet mop it. You can steam mop it. It's going to come in a variety of different options and colors and sizes. This is going to be the one flooring that you should never have to replace. And if you do, you'll be replacing one piece at a time. Porcelain tile, ceramic tile for your floor, definitely going to be the top end. Moving on to waterproof hardwood, guys. This is going to be a different category than your engineered and your solid hardwoods. These are waterproof hardwoods. We're generally going to have a veneer of material of natural hardwood on top, attached to a chassis that is going to lock, similar to a vinyl, similar to a laminate. And once again, with the Uni-Click locking system, we're going to get water that gets trapped on top of the floor. It cannot penetrate the seams. This particular floor is the Nearwood Black Series from Gaia. There is another product called Raintree, and those would be two materials that I would suggest for waterproof hardwood. They are going to get more expensive than your vinyls and laminates. Install costs will still be lower, but we're probably looking closer to anywhere between the $7 to $8, $9 range when it comes to these waterproof hardwoods. So just know you're going to pay a little more. Engineered hardwood, guys, this is our last category. Just so you know, this can go in a kitchen and it'll work for you, but it is not going to be a waterproof product. So we're going to want to make sure we clean up all of our spills as quickly as we can. However, if you want a little bit of peace of mind, a little extra time, Robbins Hardwood, great company. All of their materials actually do rate for 8 hours of waterproofing, so you'll at least get a little bit of time to clean that up. In summary, guys, porcelain ceramic tile is going to be the top end. It's going to be the most waterproof, most durable. Right after that, I would definitely slide laminate and vinyl in there. Laminate with a little bit more just because it is a thicker product with a better locking mechanism. And then we're going to get into the waterproof hardwoods, which are great, but they're going to be not as durable. And then, of course, the last is going to be the engineered hardwood. Once again, it is not a waterproof material, but you can still use it if you like. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please do like and subscribe. We'd like to put these videos out to you as much as we can.